Hello students, how are you? Again, let's start with 6th standard science subject. Students, we will see chapter number 7, Getting to Know Plants. In this video, children, we will see parts of a flower. Now students, we will see different parts of a flower. A flower has stalk called pedicel. So this stalk is called pedicel. This part is called pedicel. The outermost roll of a green leaf-like structure is called sepals. So green leaf-like structure is there, it is called sepal. Green leaf-like structure, outermost roll of a flower. Green leaf-like structure is coming out, that is called sepal. Next to sepals are petals. These are called petals of a flower. These are different petals and these are having attractive color to attract insects for pollination. In the center of a flower rises a flask-shaped structure called pistil. Now, inside this, it is a pistil part. We will see one by one after dissection. Its base is called ovary. Actually, this part is called pistil. Inside that part is called pistil, and inside this flower, here the ovary is situated. And the short tube-like upper part is the style and above it's the stigma. Now we will see one by one each part of a flower by dissection of flower. First of all, we will take introduction of which is the female reproductive part of flower, which is male reproductive part of a flower, and then we will see one by one each part of flower. Stamen. The stamen is the pollen producing reproductive organ of a flower. That is, male reproductive organ of a flower is called stamen, and it contains anther and filament. And pistil, the ovule producing part of a flower, is known as the pistil. Pistil consists of ovary, style and stigma. Here you can see it in the figure also. Stamen part that consists of filament and anther, and when anther bursts open, the pollen grains are there inside the anther. Now we will see parts of a stamen. Anther. Here you can see here yellowish color part is there, yellowish color, that is called anther. And filament is a stalk that connects to the anther. So this yellowish part is called anther and it connects to the stalk, that is called filament. The filament is a stalk that connects to the anther. Pistil, style, it is a long slender stalk that connects the stigma to the ovary. Now we will see one by one each part by dissecting. Students, first of all I remove the outer part of a flower. Then one by one I will remove the petals. As you can see, I am removing the petals, children. So watch it very carefully. Okay. Now after removing this, as you can see, here you can see both the male and female reproductive part of a flower. Here you can see here this yellowish part that is called anther, this yellowish part, and the part which is connecting to the stalk, that is called filament. And inside that, now I will show you inside this, just like take a small needle and now take out the inner part of a flower. Now inside this you can see a white tube-like structure is coming out. Here, as I have removed this white tube-like structure, now you can see, children, properly the male and female part of a flower. Here inside this it is a ovary inside this it is a ovary. Okay, then this is a style part and this is a stigma. Here you can see this part is there, it is called stigma. This is a stigma, this white structure that is called style, and here ovary is situated, and here you can see anther and filament. So both the parts you can see properly. Stamen, that is anther and filament, and pistil, style, stigma and ovary. So enlarged basal portion of the pistil where ovules are produced, that are called ovary. I will show you. I will remove this and I can show you the ovary also. After removing this, children, you can see very clearly ovary, and inside that ovary ovules are there. So this is a pistil, that is ovary, style, and this part is called stigma. One by one we will see, children. These are petals. This is stamen, anther and filament. After that, this is called pistil, ovary, style, and below this it is a stigma. So these are different parts of a flower. This is pistil, that is a female reproductive part of a flower, and this is stamen, anther and filament. So this is male reproductive part of a flower, and inside this anther pollen grains are there. Petals, prominent parts of open flower. Different flowers have petals of different colors, and they are mostly having attractive colors for attraction of insects, so that with the help of insects pollination may occur. Sepals, small leaf-like structure is called sepal. Pistil, innermost part of a flower. This is pistil, style, stigma and ovary. Then stamen, male reproductive part of a flower. Anther and filament. Stamen consists of filament and anther. Students, as you can see in the diagram, ovules and ovary. Inside the ovary, ovules are there. Very small bead-like structure is there. If you will cut this ovary, longitudinal as well as transverse, so you can see that bead-like structure. Lowermost and swallowed part of a pistil. This is swallowed part and lowermost part. Part of female reproductive organ of the flower, that is ovary, and part of pistil which hold the ovules. Small bead-like structures inside the ovary are called ovules. You can see it in the diagram, that are ovules. So see, these are this is the diagram of flower, and different parts of a flower are there. Stigma, then corolla, it is called petals also. Then gynoecium, or it is called pistil also, means female reproductive part, that is style, stigma and ovary. And male reproductive part, that is stamen, that is anther and filament. Here you can see calyx, or it is called sepals also, and pedicel. So these are different parts of a flower. As here you can see clearly the male reproductive part and female reproductive part of flower. Stamen and pistil, that is anther and filament. Stamen, that is male part of flower, and female reproductive part of flower, that is pistil, that is stigma, style and ovary. Stamens are the male reproductive part of flower. Each stamen has two parts, a thin stalk called filament and a knob-like structure called anther. The anther produces a powdery substance called pollen. If you will touch that, you can see yellowish part are touching to your hands, that are called pollens. Then carpels, it is called pistil also. It is the female reproductive part of a flower, and it has three parts. A sticky top portion is called stigma, an enlarged base called ovary, and stalk called style that connects ovary to the ovary and stigma. The ovary contains tiny ball-like structures called ovules, which later becomes the seeds after fertilization. Petals are colorful structures that surrounds the inner parts of the flower. Sepals are the green leaf-like structures at the base of the flower. Sepals protect the flower during its development and supports the petals when the flower blooms. Green corner. Besides providing us with food and several useful products, plants help to maintain the delicate balance of gases in nature. It is therefore important to protect and conserve our green areas. Means, in short, I just want to say you that we have to plant trees, we have to protect them, we have to take care of the plants, and if we will take care of plants, then ultimately it will be beneficial for human beings. So in this way, students, we have seen different parts of a flower. So thank you for watching video and read the textbook and try to draw diagrams in rough notebook.